fucking.
Live. There you go.
And then look. Oh, now it started.
There you go.
Okay, dude, there's gonna be like 5 of them they gotta delete.
Yeah, let me go help you out with that.
Yeah, go delete all the old ones for me, please.
Yeah, let me do that shit right now.
Let's hope my screen doesn't look that bad. Ew, no way my screen looks like that. Is it really that low quality? I'm gonna have to go check on my phone. Dog, this is funny. I'm glad I did it now and this didn't happen on Wednesday though.
Yeah.
That's the
Trust
whole.
me, bro. I'll be going through the same bullshit, son.
It's weird. I don't, it never happened before, so I'm just like, whatever.
Yeah, I'm getting old. Nah, and then nothing popped up over here.
On Fortunes Funding, right? Oh, it's live
It's
now.
not like a whole bunch of duplicate.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, no, I like.
Oh, yeah, there's probably a bunch. Okay, we're good.
I'll take care of it.
Beautiful, I appreciate it. All right, cool. We're good to go then. All right, I'm gonna run this shit real quick and boom, put out the sauce and then take off. But we gotta when we do this all as a team, bro. I think it'll be really cool. Like even if we just do it once a month as a team, it'd just be. I think it'd just be pretty cool. Like just to bring everybody together. But
I agree.
All right, brother. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, bro.
All right, bro. See ya. Yo, what up? We had some technical difficulties, but we're here. We're here. We're back in business. We are back in business. Oh my God. Look at that. What up, what up, what up? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send out this link. I'm just gonna give everybody a minute. We can play this music because we won't get copyright for it. We'll give it a couple minutes to let people get in here because we're actually now live. So, yeah, and then we'll start. I'm just sending out the links. Let's look at it. Wow. Damn. That was a good week. That was a good week. This is gonna be a good week. That, my friends, means volume. That's a lot of volume right there. This was a lot of volume. we saw what the markets did last week with just this. We had 5 red folders and 6 oranges. This week we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red folders and 6 orange folders. That's we have over double on the reds and the same amount of oranges. So be ready, man. It's gonna be volume on the New York Open every day. It's gonna be volume on the New York Open every day this week. So yeah, it's gonna be wild. Crazy. It's gonna be yeah. To all the ladies in the place. To all the ladies in the place. Alright. Alright. We got a little bit of people in here. Let's get started in a second. Boom. Let me read the comments here. I think this week will be very interesting. All the news coming out. Gold, what's up, my brother? What's up? What's good? Everything looks good, bro. You been working on the music, bro? Yup. That beat thump. Height with height equals volume. Huh. That's wild. Sheesh. $100K day coming or what? Hey man, we did it once, we could do it again. More volume, love speakers, ignore. That's crazy. Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and look at what we got. As you can see, this was some of the things we did last week. You know. Crazy. So anyways, let's get into it a little bit. How do I... Alright, I'm just gonna leave these up. I don't care to put them away right now. I'll put them in a folder, my trades. But so with that being said, we're just gonna go like this. Boop. Now let's go to the daily. Let's actually go to the monthly. I'm gonna do US 30 and NAS 100. I don't care about nothing else, to be honest. I mean, that's what it is. Okay, I can't delete these, I guess. Alright, I guess not. So yeah, so I have a huge picture here, which you can see is absolutely nothing because there's so many things on the screen. It's nauseating. 50% return there. Okay. Yeah, so monthly, looking bullish. We got a bullish engulfing on the monthly. It's gonna go down. Basically, use time frame correlation for most of this. Yeah, trending up. We got a trend line right here on the weekly. As soon as I draw this, it's gonna go to craziness. Boom, trend line down there. These are lower time frame trend lines. So we got that trend line. Whoops, I gotta remove that. Alright, we're going to, as you can see, boom, trend line hit there. We're going to leave that. Let me get rid of this. Really wish I could get these off my screen. I don't know why I can't. It's kind of annoying. You know what? Maybe this is why. Bing bong, figured it out. All right. The daily. So we got the monthly bearish engulfing. We have a weekly. You know what? Let's just get rid of this. We don't need all this craziness. We have a weekly. Weekly bullish engulfing. Monthly bullish engulfing. And then obviously followed by this basically, I mean, not full Maribozu, but pretty strong candle here. And then daily starting to slow down a little bit, as you can see. So I could definitely see a pullback, maybe through London or something, or maybe tomorrow we get a healthy pullback, and then maybe potentially down to here, and then back up. We'll see. Oh my god. There we go. All right. Got a double top on the 4-hour. Double top on the 4-hour. I could see us continuing down maybe to this area or these wicks here on the 4-hour potentially. Yeah, maybe down, even down to the 35,000 again. We'll see. And then we have 2-hour. Yeah, bearish engulfing. 4-hour. This big rejection candle here. 1 hour. 1 hour, we're at some resistance here. So if we start to show resistance here, like to where we don't close it in the next 2 hours or so, then could be decent buys. But again, a lot of things are going against that on the higher time frame, so I would just wait. I don't trade on Sunday. So yeah, and that's pretty much going to be the same going down in time frame. So I would just, I would still be very bullish on US 30, but I do believe the beginning of this week could be bearish. We'll see. So I mean, look, the higher we go up, the less likely we're going to continue to go up. So really, this was basically a small little retracement and continues up, but look how linear this is. It's just straight to the moon basically. So I would just advise, you know, being patient and disciplined and just consistent showing up to the charts this week, and just be patient for these to show you a good enough reason to buy, because we do have the, you know, the monthly and the weekly on our side. The daily, we do have a doji, so that's gonna cause, we do have a doji, so I'm gonna use the crosshair because I'm gonna go over here, it's gonna highlight that. So we do have the doji right here. So with that being said, obviously it can be a reversal candle, but for example, we had a doji right here, right? It's, oh, big rejection, and we just retraced this much and shot up over the next 2 days of the moon, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. So could be a repeat of this right here. So keep that in mind. If you see a good entry for the buys, take it, you know, somewhere around 35,000 to 35,100 or somewhere in there. That could potentially be a good buy place, and you're going with the overall trend, but the market hasn't had any kind of pullback really in like a week and a half. So yeah, just beware. You start to get some 4-hour confluences, maybe some 2-hour confluences, you can start to be a little more sure about those buys. And you want to just be making sure that like you are rejecting your points of support, which is this area here, this structure here, this structure here, obviously these down here. Like this crazy structure is wild, man. Like I've drawn most of these months ago. You know, some of these smaller ones are like smaller time frame ones, but these bigger ones are drawn months ago, and it just plays out. Some of these are drawn. Some of these were originally drawn a year and a half ago, and they just stayed the same across the board because the market always does the same thing. So whether I redrew them or not, whatever, but originally drawn and they were just redrawn. I wanted to clean up my chart or whatever, but redo it. So yeah, that's US 30. NAS 100. Start from the top. Let's clean up the chart a little bit. And you can see I don't have as many because I just don't trade NAS as much. You can see I don't have as many structures here. So we're going to get rid of this. That was a smaller time frame. Get rid of that. Nas is trending pretty nicely. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna get to the questions and stuff in a minute. Again, I want to keep this short and just straight to the point and just get my input out there to you guys so you can go into this trading week with confidence, so, or at least some background knowledge, if you will. So you could come. So here's the thing: I draw multiple trend lines, and if I see it resisting one or the other, then, and I see that happening at either one of those places, then you take that. So people can go, oh, there's only one way to draw a trend line. No, there's not. So we have that potentially, or we have something along the lines like this. Potentially, it could land somewhere within here, somewhere within these two trend lines, and really this structure here, that next pullback. So 15,280, 15 to 15,315 maybe, or it might not pull down too much really at all. We'll see. Obviously, you got to just keep in mind, like, this daily could be indicative of actually a reversal coming back up, but we do see it reject this bit of structure here. Comes back up, retests this area of where this other doji was and had resistance and or support, and shows resistance here. So we come down, we're gonna get some more information on that. So we can see 4-hour MA broke under, retested, continue to come below. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, overall on that daily we're looking nice. I mean, it's just straight trending. It's been trending forever. So yeah, buys on Nas, just make sure you're getting in. These are the thing you gotta understand, guys, is that I'm going with the overall higher time frames in all my trades. I don't care if US 30 or, you know, Nas 100 is gonna sell for the next 2 hours. Oh boy, they're gonna sell for the next 2 hours. No, I wanna have that momentum and that push from the buys, from the daily or the weekly or the monthly or the 4-hour. I don't want to get into sells because it's giving me sells on the 15-minute. I don't want that. It's just more risky. Why would you go against the higher time frames when you could just go with them? Just be patient, wait for it to set up. If it doesn't set up in your time frame of you trading, then okay, leave it. You know, you chill out. You know, you don't need to chase anything here. So just be patient, wait for it to come to you. So there we go. If you see the setup, take the setup. Take the setup. It's risk to reward. Get your 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. You know, just based on how much volume you're getting and how the markets are moving, and that's whole intuitional side of trading is when I was explaining this to somebody the other day, how you can I can look at the 1 minute on US 30 and tell you if it's gonna go up or down when there's a lot of volume, pretty much because of how that 1 minute is moving or how the 5 minute is moving. And that's just from experience of looking at the charts and watching them over and over and over and over again during New York Open. And I would say it's probably right 70 to 80% of the time. That's just a small little confluence that I use, and I also use it to get out of things too, because when you see that 1 minute double top form when you're in buys, if it's the first time it's done that since it's been, this is a huge gem, if it's the first time it's done that since it's been trending with all that volume, chances are if you see it start to break below that double top, even on a 1 minute, it typically won't do that, or a 3 minute, it won't do that unless it's going to have a little bit of a pullback or a decent pullback. So if you're already at your risk to reward that you wanted to get, screw it, get out, like, take profit, guys. Like, last week could have been a 100K week for me, you know, but am I bloated about it? No. If I could catch a fourth of the biggest moves in the game and get a nice risk reward on them, it doesn't matter. I don't care about the move. I care about the risk reward that I just got. I don't care if it goes another 1,000 points. I don't give a shit. I care that I cashed the fuck out, I made money, and I got my risk reward. That's it. That's winning. It's not, oh, I caught 18 million points. It's like, bro, I could catch 200 and get a 1 to 10, 1 to 20 risk reward. You know what I mean? Like, so I could catch a 1 to 10 in an hour and be done, while you want to hold it for 4 days. You know, it's just silly to me. But anyways, so yeah, it's not about the points. It's not about all that shit. It's about, hey, are you getting in, getting out with the proper risk to reward, 1 to 3 or higher, and securing the bag, and only taking smart setups, and going with the overall trend, and using time frame correlation and risk management to properly grow your account. So yeah, there's that. Go down to 4 hour daily. So we saw this is really weak here on Friday. And keep in mind, when we do these breakdowns on Sunday, we don't have London session yet. So London session on Sunday is very important for Monday, just like London session on Tuesday morning is very important for Tuesday, morning open. So keep that in mind. We're going to get a lot more information once we wake up tomorrow. So yeah, or for those of you that trade London session, you'll get a lot more information as to how far this wants to pull down. But I do believe this could pull down and then continue back up. Just how far it's going to pull down is determined upon the volume and the structures we start to see form, of the market patterns we start to see form on these lower time frames. So 2 hour retest came down. Obviously, it's going to be really slow right now, guys. Market just opened. There's no real volume, which is why we got to see London. So. But my overall bias on both of these are still buys. It's just, is it going to pull down for a day? Is it going to pull down for the next 12 hours? And then, this time tomorrow morning, start to pull up or give us an entry for buys? Or is it going to pull down all day tomorrow and give us a bigger pullback? So it's just about determining, hey, where's our points of support and resistance? Where's in all of our different indications and all the things we use to determine that, whether it be trend lines of the MA or market patterns or just standard support and resistance, so we can see where all the consolidations are, right? This is a 30 minutes, so these aren't that important, but just giving you an idea. So with that being said, it's like we just want to see, hey, our overall bias is we're going to buy, and that's what it's been doing. So that's what we're going to go with until it doesn't do it anymore, if that makes sense. And if it's not doing it anymore, we want to see that whole thing flip, and we want to start to see it trending down before we get involved in any sells. So long as it's trending up, it's like, okay, we know basically that, and you could say, oh, it broke this higher low on the daily, and you could say that, yeah, and it retested it. You could say that, but how I see it is, this is the trend line, and this was just massive push up, little retrace, push up. Okay, broke the retrace, but I think this is our structure that we can't break, and this is ultimately our low that we can't break. If we broke down here, then we really know we were going down. If we broke and closed below this, we know we're going to go down. So what we look for is it continuing down, coming back up, retesting this 15,000 area, 15,050, or even somewhere around these wicks or this structure, and then continuing down. But yeah, and breaking MAs on the way down there too. So these are all things that I put together more in the mentorship and the course, stuff like that. So yeah. So coming down to the 1 hour. Because guys, all we're trying to figure out is the probability of it going up or down, and whatever one has the most probability, whether it's, and we really wanted like a 70-30 or higher. We wanted a 70-80-20 or 70-30, 80-20 or higher, 90-10. We're really confident in our trades, but we're not so focused on whether it goes up or down. Just like, look, we just want to catch the trade. We want to get our risk reward, and we want to get out and secure the bag, and that's trading, and do it in the least amount of time possible. Because if you can do it in an hour, why would you do it in a week? Unless you just really want to like enter a trade like a scalper and hold it like a swing trader. Now that's genius, and that's what you can do once you get to that level. But that's once you get to that level, if you want to do that. 15-minute, yeah. So I mean, same thing, same bias really as US 30. It's just how far it's gonna pull. If it's gonna continue down for the next day or two, or is it gonna tank? Is it gonna tank through the floor and blah, blah? But I don't think so. We have a lot of uphill. Like for example, US 30 shit. US 30 could come all the way down here, and it would still be. Let me pull that up. US30 could come all the way down. US30 could come all the way down to 34,500, 34,450. Or 34.6. So this is the thing when I say like we just want to see our points. So if we break 34,963 and like continue down past this to like below 34,900 area or 870 area, then we're probably gonna go to here, 640 area, and then once we do that, or 650 area, 660 area, and then if we break below that, then we're probably gonna come down to this resistance here, and if we break that, but you know, so it's just a matter of what's the volume look like, what do the market patterns look like, what does time frame correlation look like, what are the MAs giving us, where's the support and resistance, where is it breaking the trend lines, you know, and that's it. So it's just overall bias is buys across the board, and we're just waiting to see where it pulls back to, waiting to see London session tonight, waiting for that news to hit, because this is all going to be very big. This is going to cause a lot of momentum in the market for better or worse. So yeah, we'll see. We shall see. So the previous unemployment claims was 228. The forecast is 236. Forecast isn't always right, but we'll see. All right. So yeah, that's overall my bias on both of these, and just a matter of finding out how far it's going to pull down and where our points of resistance are and support, and trying to get in at those higher lows. But we have to keep in mind we did just go on a run on US30. We could still be on that run, but as you go up more, you're more likely to go back down. So as you go down more, you're more likely to go back up or have that pullback on either side of it. So keep that in mind. This 1 hour is important on a US30 here. 1 hour MA is important. If you can figure out the MA, you can have it. It's a huge part of my trading, actually. I utilize that thing a very special way, though. Very special way. You gotta know the sauce to it. It's like having a sword, right? Like you can have the sword. If you don't know how to use it, it's worth really nothing. You just get disarmed and killed anyways by somebody. But if you know how to use a sword, it can be a great tool and help you out a lot. So, yeah. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's funny. Ali's in here. Shout out Ali. What up, bro? Let me see. Do we want to do a giveaway? I mean, shit, let's do it. Let's do it. What do we got? You said 25k like, or 25k. Look at me, bro. I'm already ahead of us. I'm thinking about where we're gonna be at in a year. 25k likes. Shit. Let me see how many we got in here now. Yeah, like the video. What? There's 26 y'all in here. Is that right? 26. So yeah, we should definitely have at least 26 likes. What's up with the giveaway? If everybody likes this video right now, I'll do a 25k giveaway. Alright, there's 26 of y'all. Look, we just went from like 4 to 13. I liked it too, so alright, get the likes up to 26, and we'll do a 25k giveaway. Challenge account for from Fortunes Funding. Get it up there, bro. Invite your friends, because there might be some stingy people in here that don't want to like the video. Or gotta go log into their accounts. Let's see. Alright, we got 27 here. Get the likes on this to 26. Get the likes on this to 26, and I'll give a 25k challenge account away. Is it true that US30 does the exact opposite of USDX? Well, I don't even know what USDX is, bro. Oh, like okay, yeah, bro. It's funny because I used to look at that. And and I would notice it would, I would notice it wouldn't. I used to have it on my chart, and I used to kind of do that. I did it for like a couple weeks, but yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't look at it. I think some of the stuff that's put out there is, don't get me wrong, if the US dollar is devaluing, the markets in US 30 should pump, and if the US dollar is going up, then the market should go down, but it's in a sense. So it's really interesting, that whole relationship, because you'll notice sometimes it does, and sometimes it does the opposite. So sometimes they follow each other, sometimes they don't. So I mean, I just trade what I see, bro. I trade what I feel, which is another huge gem. I think a lot of people, this is a very logical black and white thing to do when it comes to trading, but it's not as black and white as some people would like to think. It's very intuitive. It's very a feeling kind of thing. At least that's how it is for me. I see the charts, I see what I'm looking for, but I also kind of feel the rhythm of the market. I had a very long talk actually with somebody recently that about like me being a musician and how like the market has a rhythm of its own, and he said, you know, perhaps you're a better trader because you understand rhythm and music and the flow and cadence and stuff. And I've had somebody say that to me before, and the same person was thinking that same thing, and I was like, this not the same person, this different person was thinking that same thing. So it's just very interesting. But yeah, it's very a feeling thing too as well. I think you merge, I think becoming a good trader is merging both spheres of your brain, both hemispheres of your brain, both sides of your brain, I should say, to think on the same accord, and to become, once you agree with yourself, both, you know, emotionally, intuitively, and logically, and you know, in black and white kind of thing context, that's when you know you got a good trade. That's when you know you got a good trade. That's when you know you got a good trade. That's when you know you got a good trade. Structure, resistance, rejection candle, fake out. That's a good trade. So, all right, let's see if these likes are there. That was called in the signals too. Most of those were actually 3 of those 5. The first 3. All right, let's see. How do we even do the giveaway? How do we even do this? You know, are we gonna put them on a wheel of fortune? Could I, like, you know what I could do? You know how I could do this giveaway? I think y'all can see my screen right now. Yeah, you can see my mouse. So what I could do is I could just have you guys comment like over and over and over and over and over again, and then I could just go like this and like scroll through the comments, and then just wherever my mouse lies, I can give one away. I could do it like that. That's a easy and fair way to do it. You say it's just, hey, whoever's spamming their shit the hardest increases their odds the most, and you know, I think that would be I think that could be good. It brings the engagement, and you know, is a fair way to pick. So the ones who really want will get it. Yeah, here we go. All right, did we get to it though? We need one more like. We need one more like on the video. We have 34 people in here. We need at least 26 likes. Let's get it up to 30, man. We got 34 in here. Let's just get it up to 30. I know I said 26, but we're right there. Let's just get it up to 30. Let's get it up to 30 likes. Come on. There's 34 y'all in here. Let's get the likes to 30, and I'm going to give away. I'm going to still give it away at 26. I just want to get us to 30. But let's give away a 25K challenge account, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. So yeah, y'all get to commenting, bro. Y'all can comment whatever you want. Whoever's. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna scroll up and down, and I'm gonna land on a name. And I mean, feel free to comment as much as you want, bro. So that's how we're gonna do it. I think that's just the easiest way to do it right now. Here we go. All right, let's see. Let's make sure we got at least the 26 likes. All right, we got 28. Can we get 2 more likes? We got 33 people in here. Can we get 2 more likes? Two more legs. Let's get us to 30, even 30, because it's US 30, baby. It's US 30, and I'm the 30 god of the 30 Godfather, bro. US 30 Godfather in here, about to give away the 25K account. Come on, get it to 30 for the US 30 one time. Come on. Here we go. All right, I'm refreshing. Let's see if we're at 30. Oh, we lost one, bro. How did it go from 28 to 27? Somebody petty, bro. Somebody petty. Okay, so we're doing the giveaway, but I'm gonna announce the giveaway at 30. I'm gonna do the drawing at 30. So we're doing a giveaway for sure now that we got the 26, but I'm gonna announce it at 30. So we got 33 people in here, bro. We should be able to get to 30. Who are these 6 people, bro? These 6 people on their villain arc, bro. That's what it is. These 6 people are on their villain arc. It's only right we get to 30 because it's US 30. Come on. It's only right. Oh, I said we got 33, 31, 32. Get the likes to 30, and I'm gonna pick for the giveaway the 25K account giveaway for whoever comment my thing lands on. So that's how you enter, guys. So if you're just coming in or whatever, 25K accounts being given away at 30 likes. We're at 27. We need 3 more likes to give this account away for 25K, and you're gonna be selected through the comments. So whoever's commenting the most is gonna have most likelihood to win. I'm just gonna scroll through these comments and flick the wrist a couple times and land on whoever. So we'll see whoever it lands on. And if it's in between two people, if it's even questionable, I'm going to retry. If it's even questionable who it's landed on, I'm gonna retry. I'm just gonna redo it. So neither person will win. If it's questionable, if it's right in between two people, I'm not gonna pick one or the other. I'm just gonna redo it. So it's fair. It has to land like pretty much. You know, there has to be no question in any of our minds. Like, yo, okay, they got that. All right. 25K account giveaway. We need to get 30 likes. Are we at it? Oh my God, people are unliking, bro. Okay, fine. All right, here we go. 25K account giveaway. I guess 25K or 25 likes for 25K. I guess that makes sense. All right. I'm gonna give y'all 10 seconds to comment as much as you possibly can. Anything you want, feel free to spam. I don't really care. We're gonna do it this way. This is how we're gonna do it. A little creativeness. Just spam whatever you want. I don't care. Nobody cares. Spam that shit, yo. I gotta get a video of this. Spam it. Oh, here we go. 25K account giveaway on Fortunes Funding, the live stream for the weekly outlook, and we are spamming the comments right now for the giveaway. I'm gonna scroll through here. We could get it live. I'm gonna do it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I'm gonna go back and forth. When I stop, that's who's gonna get it. Here we go. Here we go. You can keep commenting. All right. Wait. I don't know what got messed up. Hold on. There we go. Oh my God. Oh. And I'm gonna do it like 3 more times. 3, 2, 1. Paul Wall Street won it. Yo, that was smart. Damn, Paul, that was smart. I see what you did here. Well, congratulations, bro. 25K. Let's go. So good stuff, bro. That's awesome. Oh man. All right, Paul Wall Street gets a 25K account, challenge account. So there you go, bro. Big 30, come on. Taking up a fat section of the comment. That was smart, bro. I didn't even realize why he was doing that. But like I guess you could like double up on the comments, but he was just like, I'm just gonna type 3 bars of this. That was smart. Oh man, that was fun. All right, we got to do that every time now. Every live. That was cool. All right. Ali said he had y'all guess his boy's max bench. Yeah, that's crazy. That's awesome. All right, perfect. You can choose whoever. Okay. Perfect. Sweet. So I just got the way to do it. Perfect. Yeah, that's a easy, fun way to do it, because then it brings engagement, you know. So Paul, reach out to me. Paul, I think that's your same name on Instagram, right? Type in your Instagram. I'm pretty sure it's your same thing on Instagram. Just type it in here just so I know, and I'm gonna DM you and get you hooked up with that. So nobody steal my strategy. Creativity wins. Nah, fam, it's out now. Yeah, that's crazy. So all right, cool. Well, I mean, that's the stream. That's my outlook for the week on US 30 and Nas 100. Perfect. You'll DM me right now. All right, perfect. Sounds good. So yeah, that's the stream. Appreciate y'all coming out. Congratulations again, Paul, and hope you guys got some value out of this. And I'll be Wednesday live trading at 8:30 a.m. Eastern for New York session. So keep that in mind. And yeah, we'll see if we can't get you guys something on there as well. And last week was a great week, so see if we can just repeat that again with this volume that US 30 is going to have. It's going to be pretty crazy. So you know, buckle your seat belt, your seat belts. I said, fuck it, I'm rolling with it. Buckle your seat belts. Famous out now, right? All right, perfect. God is good. Facts. All right, y'all. Well, appreciate it. And yeah, what did we end up with at the likes? Let's see. What did we end up with for the likes? We lost 2. That's crazy. Y'all are crazy for that. Yeah. 28. We're 2 away from 30. We're gonna hit 30 after the video's out. That's all right. All right. Oh, I thought it just went to 29. All right, y'all. Well, appreciate it. Have a great night. I'm glad this was just quick and easy and perfect. Got you, Paul. All right. Remix. I just said fuck it. We're fucking up. We're just gonna do it extra. All right, y'all. Have a good night, and yeah, let's kill these charts this week. Peace.